MTV Cribs.
Hey, welcome to my crib.
Oh my gosh, is that Jay Edwards?
Let's come in, guys.
Oh, okay.
Let's bring this in.
Oh wow.
Hey, an overview. Nice. Do a 360. Do a 360.
I like what y'all got going on in here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Will you focus on that? Yeah, okay. Right. Hi, guys. It's Jade. My roommate, JB, is chilling over there.
Hey, Jamie.
Okay, so what we're gonna do today is a room tour. So as you see in an overview, when we come in the door, this is what we have here. Hey. This is what we have here when you come in.
Oh, okay.
A rack for towels.
I like the rack of towels.
A peephole so you can see.
I like this right here. What is this right here? It looks like a mattress.
It's our emergency exit.
Oh, okay. All right.
So, and then when you come down, this is Jamie's.
Okay. So
This is mine.
Okay.
So, yeah, my towels are from Marshall's if you want to,
Marshalls? Wow.
You know what I'm saying? All right. So, when you go to this corner, I have my blanket from Kohl's.
Kohl's.
Okay?
I like. They have nice deals over there.
This is
Did you use your Kohl's cash?
where some people sit because there's not a lot of seating area.
Right, but
in
it
the
does
room.
have a plug though. I've seen that over there in the corner.
People charge their phone there and stuff. So yeah, this is the chair. My chair. The room comes with a chair, but I brought my own chair, so I had an extra chair.
Okay.
Right. So I put the blanket over here so that it could be comfy when you sit in the corner.
Comfy.
But there's a trash can over there. We don't want to look inside the trash can.
Oh, we're not? Okay. What you trying to say? You dirty?
No.
What? I don't be eating in here or something. A wire.
There's the trash can.
A wire.
There's the trash can. But yeah.
You said that chair comfy?
It's comfy.
You can hold this real quick. Just hold it for a second. Just hold it for a second. Ooh. Oh, no, she wasn't Kevin. All right. You're my team.
Okay. So,
I'm sorry
move
about that.
on to this part of the room.
Oh, I peeped your mirror
We
already.
have a mirror.
Wait.
Hey. Oh,
Wait.
it's gonna look It's gonna look weird.
Right, it is.
It's gotta look landscape, right?
Okay, yeah.
So look, when I get dressed, this is the mirror that I look in, and I put little fairy lights around it so that I can be like vibing. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So this mirror and fairy lights are both from Target. So hit up Target.
Target?
Like, Target should
What's
sponsor me
Target?
because
What's
I buy so
Target?
much stuff from Target.
Right.
Yeah. But like these are the closets that comes with the room. So when we open it, we have
so
some
many
hooks right
hangers
here
and hooks. Ooh,
and hook right here. These were already here before I got here, so I just put my coats up there. I put my knee brace right there. You know what I'm saying? Just in case something, my ACL trying to act up again. You know. But this mirror came with the room, and you just be looking. And then I have this basket full of hair stuff. So like my bonnet, my hair straightener, my blow dryer, my hats, like everything is in there. And then when you go back and look at it, these like little cabinet things are from Target. This hold my jewelry, earrings, necklaces, and then this is like more office stuff. These are my two belts that I use the most. This is like lotion, hair stuff and shit. This is like hair stuff, lotion, sunscreen, yeah, all the good stuff. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so sorry. This this Freeman what is it called? Water gel mask is such a good hydrator. Like my skin.
Oh, I heard that you have a that you also have a part-time shop.
Hey. We're gonna get to that sign in a minute. Okay. These are like my outerwear jackets type of clothes, and then some shirts I hung up right there.
Right.
This is my laundry basket.
Right.
You know. And then we got the big type of pods, so we can wash the clothes. You know what I mean? And then we have like cotton balls, another bag, some sweatpants, and just mad stuff down there. So that's it. Now we're gonna talk about what's on the top of the closet. I have ramen, any flavor.
All right, first off,
how
who the
many
fuck eats
flavors?
shrimp or those noodles?
So
Put that in the comments. Tell me who eat those. Like, that's just nasty.
Who eat noodles?
And then who eats the beef jaws? Like, that's like on the bottom. Like, them shits never go off the shelf.
And so,
and she only got she had the nerve to get 2 shrimp and 1 chicken. Jade, you're tripping.
and so
You're tripping.
I be having my skinny girl popcorn because this tastes jump, but none of my friends like it.
Okay, first off, it's lime. This is lime popcorn.
It's so good. And then I be having peanuts, but I don't be eating them like that. But I need to start. Did it die?
No.
Oh, it's still going?
Yeah.
Okay. So then I have some like granola bars right here.
Mm-hmm.
I usually have some more snacks, but I need to go to Target to restock. Target, sponsor me.
Wait.
MV. So.
Oh, we're British now.
No. Next we have Clorox wipes, and like we got mad Clorox wipes because college is dirty and
As shit.
We just can't be sick out here. So we have trash bags just because we need to take the trash out sometimes. And Clorox wipes, and we have more in my drawer, but you're gonna see that later. And then we be having chips. It's unhealthy snack, but it be good. Okay, and then we have our little Philip TV. Our little Philip TV. It was in my Nona's kitchen, so I was like,
you got the kitchen TV.
I said, Nona, can I have the kitchen TV? She said, yeah. So I have it now. Then these lights, Target. My Polaroids that I took, they're from Target.
What's that?
Target.
Oh.
Okay. These pictures are Polaroids that I took with my Polaroid camera, which is from Target as well.
Right.
This whole board is from Target. These little magnets are from Target. Like, if I don't say where it's from, it's probably from Target. So, this is my little face mask business. It actually has my phone number on it. But yeah, we do face masks every Tuesdays and Fridays around here.
But they've been out of business, y'all. They've been folding lately.
Hey. So yeah,
Hey. Whoa,
so yeah, we do that. Do not mind the 4 kids. We are about to...
That's gonna have to be in slow motion when you get this, okay? You're gonna have to put that in slow motion.
That's for extracurriculars. So we have some
the cooking cart
containers. This is the
cooking cart.
It is.
She got her oil.
Some spices, some seasoning.
Where's your everything seasoning?
Some Badia, you know what I'm saying. Complete seasoning. We have oil, paper towels, bins, cups, full, but like bowls, paper towels. We got mandarin oranges. Pretzels. All that junk, you know what I'm saying? That's what we got.
Right.
And then, you know what I'm saying? We have the desk over here.
Oh, wait, she had to make it. Oh.
We have the desk.
Right.
We have like paper clip type things, tape dispenser, eraser, mask brush, Vaseline.
Right.
Vaseline.
Right.
We never stay dry out here, baby.
Never.
Got cocoa butter.
What?
Nail polish, because you know, I be doing my nails. And then we have this Impressions vanity mirror from Marshall's. This little thing is from Marshall's too. And then, you know, we have an Apple MacBook Air with the pink cover slip from Amazon. Thank you very much. We have a regular scientific calculator.
Because they don't like fucking graphic calculators.
They don't. We have some headphones, you know what I'm saying? Makeup, you guys already know about that. Makeup brushes, we got some pencils, some dry erase board markers.
Right. The lamp.
Some foundation, some Fenty, some primer, some staples, you know, little post-it thingies, ponytail, lamp from Target, things from Target. We have this little pin board from Target. Everything is held up by command strips that I got at Target. This is like stuff that happened the first 2-3 weeks of school. So yeah. So these are my notebooks that are for school, right? We're like 4 weeks from ending the semester. So yeah, I'm deep in the notebooks. But this is my chair I brought from home. It was from TJ Maxx. A nice, cute find. Wonderful. Donut blanket from TJ Maxx, yeah?
Yeah.
We have some binders. Target has the best binders. They're so cute.
Right.
Perfect. This is for my chemistry workshop.
Shout out, Jamie.
class.
Go ahead.
Chemistry workshop class. I hate chemistry. I hate biology. If you are really committed to biology and chemistry, good luck. I'm sending prayers your way. That is not an easy major, my friend. No, it is not. It is not. I cry every single day when I come home from classes. And yeah, this is my book bag. It stays here on the edge of my bed. My bedspread is from this website called Society 6. And I looked it up because I like pink and I like flowers and I like green. This is my lemons.
Yo.
I like
Wait,
lemons.
do it again. It's
like
your what?
Lemons. I like lemons. This is my Target rug. And then these pillows are from Kohl's. This one's from Kohl's. My JE.
Kohl's Cash.
My JE's from Target. This big pillow behind me from Kohl's.
Kohl's Cash.
This one's from my bed. Satin pillowcase you can
Wait,
get
it's from your
Amazon.
what?
My bed. At home.
Wait, do it again. Your what?
My bed.
Oh, okay.
You can get it at home, right? So this
is my favorite. No, low key, this is my favorite part of the room. That thing right there in the back
says dime piece because
I
my
just like-
nickname is Dime.
I just like this.
It lights up in the
and
dark.
like this.
And like
It lights up in the dark?
yeah. This says bad and number 9 because 9 is my lucky number. Jade is my at name. Yeah.
Okay, we'll make sure we block that out later. Okay.
And so
Great.
this is my cute little, in Hawaii. Yeah, this is my umbrella. I stole it from Nona.
Hey, yo, Dad.
I stole it from Nona.
Oh.
And it stays back there. This lamp is from Target.
Right.
This controls our shade, and when it's
Right.
sunny, we let it open.
Right.
And then I have an umbrella right here, and my charger comes out right here so that easy access when I'm in the bed.
Yeah.
My pink Polaroid, and then we have my cactus over here.
That's my favorite. Wait.
Cactus.
That's my favorite.
And then we have pineapple
Do it light up?
right here. It does light up, but it's like so bright in here you can't even see it. It's crazy.
Crazy.
Our room has this slant like this because we're on the 4th floor, which sucks.
The roof.
So it's whatever.
The roof.
We have the TV controls, remotes, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Fire stick. We have the Versace.
Ooh, you got money.
It smells so good, like
It's not no Cowtown shit, right?
so delicious.
Right.
It's the best. Buy your wife, buy your girlfriend, buy your significant other, buy your esposada. I take Spanish too, so. This is my frog.
that's a
Frogs are
frog.
like important to me because like they mean something to like Nona, and like Nona's my everything, so they mean something to me. I feel like we're connected through frogs.
What?
I have a donut right here.
What?
It's a paper. It's a
I'm
bookend.
fried and I
It's
don't
a-
even know what you're talking about.
It's a bookend.
What?
I have my rotators.
Alright, you get me? Like, what just happened?
I don't know. I have my
Right.
rotators. I have my sunglasses here. I have my hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. Smells so good, delicious, perfect. I have my Jordan slides I use to go to the communal bathroom that's down the hall. I have my Nike
Because who be
slides.
dirty? These what?
Ugh.
These what? Oh,
Ugh.
right.
So yeah,
They be dirty.
my shoes are all under the bed, and yeah.
Oh, she got man shoes, y'all.
So that's
Man
what's under there.
shoes.
Then we have a trash can. Don't mind the trash. It's damn.
Dirty. Dirty.
So that's what is on my side. And this is JB's side. JB's in her bed.
Shout out Jamie. Hey, Jamie.
That's JB's bed. That's our microwave. That's JB's.
That's where I be
JB's.
sitting.
That's Anthony's seat.
That's where I be sitting.
This is JB's closet. This is JB's desk. This is JB's wall. And this is Jamie's lamp. And then there's our thermostat that we never knew how to work until like 2 weeks ago, where we changed the temperature of the room, and so now we just be lit. And there's our trash can that everybody likes to dump their stuff in. Yeah. So.
Cause it's out in the open.
True. But yeah, I think it's time to kick you guys out. You're in my room, and now I feel like you've invaded my space.
Yo, okay. All right.
So we're just gonna,
Right.
No.
Okay.
I'll see y'all later.
All right, Jade.
Peace out.
Bye, Jamie.
Bye.
Peace.
Oh.
You okay?